What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Christine with Gaugegirl Training here. I am bringing you a Fashion Nova sponsored video showing you some fun outfits for quarantine and chill. Yes, so as you guys know, it has been crazy lately. We haven't been able to go anywhere. I wanted to show you guys my favorite picks from Fashion Nova for some cute, comfortable, affordable loungewear for quarantining and chilling. So let's get started. So this first outfit is a two-piece outfit. It is a cropped black top with a biker short. And it is super soft, super comfortable. It's really nice, just plain basic pieces for you to feel a little bit more stylish than normal. Trust me, I have the ugliest sleepwear and loungewear, but sometimes you just want to feel a little bit cuter and more pulled together. And this is a fantastic outfit for that. All right, so here are the shorts. Super cute. Very comfortable. Now this is a top that I also paired with these black fitted biker shorts. I think it is super cute, super comfortable. It says independent woman, which I am. It's just fun and comfortable and loungy and super cute. All right guys, so I don't know about you, but the highlight of my weeks have literally been going to the grocery store. I have this teal hoodie, which is super cute and comfortable. I'm gonna show you the whole outfit here. So it has this high-rise jogger pant with it. Super comfortable, super cozy. Really like it. Again, very warm. I like that the hoodie is cropped. They have it in a lot of different colors, but I liked it in this rich teal color. I have no shame in wearing pajamas all day long. And when I saw the super cute onesie with this adorable print, I mean, and the thing is guys, this is so soft and comfortable. This, you see here, we got unicorns, we got glitter, we got things. I, yes, have worn this working on the couch with the laptop. So let me show you guys the full view. All right. Here is the thing. It goes all the way down to the feet. Yes, I literally need one of these in every color, every print. Super cute, super fun, super cozy. You guys, I'm telling you, you need this in your wardrobe. All right guys, so I have seen these rompers on Fashion Nova's website forever in the pajama section, and it literally looks like from the top just like a bodysuit, right? But it's literally like you know, no pants, but super cute, super comfy, super cozy. If you want like cute PJ-ish things that you can wear, you're trying to be cute around the house. So I like that this is like a heather gray print, but I just love this. And the nice thing is you could actually turn this into an outfit if you put some jeans with it or some joggers or something. But I really liked this. All right guys, another striped PJ pajama rompery thing. It's pink and striped, super cute. Again, lounging at home. You can wear this for bed. And if you see me doing an Instagram live with this top, you will know I got no pants on underneath it. So super fun and cute. Just extremely comfortable for when you don't want to be wearing pants. All right, now this took lounging to a whole nother level. This is like this rose pink duster, first of all, which makes me feel so glamorous. It's kind of got this like cropped tank top, and it's got these long flowy pants, wide leg pants. I'm gonna show you guys. So you guys can see it is long, flowy, full length pants. It's like a high waist kind of vibe here, but super cute, super comfortable, and I really like this. It makes me not feel like a bum when I'm lounging. So the last piece in my quarantine and chill is this kind of lingerie-ish sleep thing. It's like a camisole and these shorts, which I find very cute. I really like the color. Got nice thin adjustable straps, which are stretchy, which is nice. It's kind of like if you're gonna be in your pajamas all day, but you want to be cute at the same time. So I would wear this with like a like a cardigan over it throughout the day, but super cute and comfortable. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Fashion Nova quarantine and chill picks. You guys, you can save 20% off of your order on fashionnova.com with promo code Gaugegirl. Take care, guys. See you in the next one.